Standard 4th Subject Computer Lesson number 10 about Files and Folders Part 2. Previous lecture we have learned about creating a new folder, creating a new text file, and we have learned about working with files and folders. Today we have going to learn further. To move a file or a folder. The easiest way to move a folder to another folder is to use the drag and drop method. You can also use cut and paste option to move your folder by following method. Right click on the folder or file you want to move, students. After that, choose the cut option. Now go to the location where you want the file to be moved to. Now right click anywhere on this location and click on the paste option, students. Your file will be moved. To copy a file or a folder, right click on the folder or file you want to copy. Choose the copy option. Go to the location where you want the file to be copied. Now right click anywhere on this location and click paste option, students. Your file will be copied. To rename a file or folder, right click on the file or folder to be renamed, students. Select the rename option from the menu. Type in the new name. Now you have to press the enter key or click out anywhere on the blank area. The file or folder is renamed, students. Okay, now students, click on the folder and press F2 to rename any folder. This is a shortcut method. To delete a file or folder, right click on the file or folder to be deleted. Click on the delete option in the drop down menu that appears. The confirm folder delete dialog box appears. Okay, click yes. The file or folder is deleted from that folder. To delete permanently, open the recycle bin and right click on the file and click the delete option from the menu, students. Students, you can select the file and folder. Okay, press the shift plus delete on the keyboard. It straight away deletes the file or folder from the memory without shifting it to recycle bin. So this is also a shortcut method. To find files. Sometimes you might have created a file or folder and just can't remember where it is been saved. We can track the missing file or folder by using the Windows search box, which helps you to find it. For it, click on the Start menu and type in the name you want to search in the search box. Then press enter. A pop-up window showing search results appear with several results covering the word typed in the search box. Okay, now click on the required file. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.